Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem with your macOS Big Sur. If you have problems with installing this system, so first thing, just check your internet connection. When you try to download it, also you can try to turn off and turn on again your Wi-Fi. Also you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, sometimes it also helps. And another thing you need to try, just go to system preferences. Now open software update, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install, and it will successfully update now, and it will successfully update your system. So also you need to check if open App Store. Just go to search tab, just find here Big Sur. Just tap on macOS Big Sur. Now you can see it, and you need to check compatibility. If your Mac supports, so you can see it compatibility works on this MacBook Air. So you need to check your compatibility with this version of Mac. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.